Hey there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math similar question from the topic of exponents. Before we solving this question, I'd like to talk about the importance of the playlist section in our channel. The playlists are created just for you with the SAT similar questions that we just created for you. If you would like to practice and excel in a specific topic like functions, exponents, systems of equations, or any topic, the basic algebra questions, you can just select those playlists and watch those videos. You can pause the video while you're watching it. You can give it a try to solve it on your own. Afterwards, you can check for your answer. So that's being said, let's dive into this problem. Which of the following is equal to m to the power of 7 over 2 for all values of m? And the choice A, we have square root of m to the power of 14. And B, we have m to the power of 49. And C is square root of m to the power of 7. And choice D, we have m to the power of 7 over 4. So m to the power of 7 over 2. 7 is in numerator on top. So that's gonna stay being on top of the m. Just the 2 in the denominator goes into the square root as a degree root. So this is now second degree, which is square root. So based on this, if you will just approach this question with this way, you will just see that the answer is the choice C. But I'd like to talk about the choices as well. This is equal to m to the power of 14 over 2, which is m to the power of 7. This is already given in the exponent format, m to the power of 49. And the choice D is given as exponent. Let's convert it into root format. So m7 again, 7 is in numerator. That is going to stay on top of the variable. But the 4 goes into degree of the root. So this is how you convert that exponents into roots format. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.